Alright vlogger, welcome back to our next vlog. You see me, don't know a thing go active over here. So this a part 2 video. I hope I get on the farmer program, you see me? Yeah man, if you wanna watch part 1 video, then you wanna follow. You see me? So yeah man, so when they reach one time I there at the hotel, you see me, when I left the airport I got the hotel and me I tell them about the food them and thing what them I give me. Food them never so nice still, but as I say, I'm not going to dead for hungry. You get what I say? So I make sure say me active. You see me? So yeah man. So we're there at hotel for about 2 weeks. Yeah, we're there at hotel for about 2 weeks, you see me? Yeah, when we alright, the day we forward and now if we left the hotel, I think about a couple of well did it there, you see me? Yeah man, and some bus forward for come bring a Kelowna you know. So the journey for Kelowna about 6.5 to 7 hours on the bus, you see me? Non-stop. You get what I say? Yeah, so it's a long journey to Kelowna. It's a long journey to Kelowna, you see me? On the bus right there. Burn up for you. Burn up for you. Why? We see on the journey for Kelowna, you see it? Yeah man, so you don't know a thing go. So we take on no. After we left the airport, I miss a part. After we left the airport, you see me? Not the airport. The hotel. After we left the hotel, we go back at the airport. Reason why we go back at the airport for get the vaccine. You see me? For get the vaccine 2021. Yeah man, forget the vaccine, you see me? Like some people take it, some people never take it. Take the vaccine, you see it? Every minute one plane pass, you know. Yeah man, every minute a plane pass because airport they close, you see me? What as me I say, some people take the vaccine, some people don't take the vaccine. So after we done the whole process, you know, we're ready to take on the journey and thing. And we're on our way. Yeah man, we're on our way to Kelowna. You see me? The journey, they good, like the scenery and everything. Yeah man, they good. I'm not lie. Like when you see the mountain and you know when you look past some of the road them, the road them straight. Or the road them straight, it look like a one hill. You see me? Yeah, the road them really look like a one hill, but another hill, you see it? And that's because the road well long. You see me? And most of the time the bus a move. When you look through the bus windscreen, it look like the bus nah move to the road long. You have to look through the side window to see really a move. Yeah man, so that's some long stretch. You see me? Fast forward, you know, reach a Kelowna, you see me? Reach on the farm and all, yo. Never know say there's so much man forward up on the farm, on the program. Yo, yes, man, say, never know say there's so much man forward up on the farmer program. Yo, come like I want boot camp today. On the farm, like I want boot camp today, you see me? And then every man forward off I bus you know, and then, you know, like them I tell me which house if we go in, and like, you get what I say? Yeah man, I'm gonna tell you say them time the me just did it and I look at me and say, Judge youth. And I say them things are not really cut out for me, you know. You see me? I say them things are not really cut out for me. You see me? Come like I'm in my yard, but I want to go back in but I say, I'm there already, so just go and tough it out. You see me? Who know farm work knows the farm work not easy, you see me? Yeah man, you have to be a warrior, you see me? Yeah man, you have to be a warrior for go up and farm work. Yeah man, and them place when I house them and tell you which bunk I feel or you can choose any bunk bed where you want, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, you can choose any bunk bed you want. Yeah, any bunk bed, but the bunk bed them, you see two of the mattress thin on the bunk bed, or two mattress me there forget. Cause when we lay down on one mattress there, feel like I bored. Me I lay down on it, you see me? Yeah man. That's how thin it is, you see me? So me have to get two of that. After that now before we reach here so when we come out of the bus, Yeah, man, them start, cause them they have one next place where them are send some my man them go, you see me, cause everybody couldn't hold up at the place where they there. You see me, as me tell you say, yo, a whole heap of people leave forward up 2021. No joke. You see me, that's the first time I go up on a farm work and thing. Yeah, man, and we did it. And then them start, because when they go up on a farm, them always give, well, the farm when you depend, they give you $250, you see me? Canadian figure, go to supermarket, go buy a grocery. And yeah, man, so when I get that money there now for go to supermarket, you see it? You know, so one bus have to carry you. When I bus them when they have on the farm, I carry you guys supermarket, you see me? And you go pick up where you want to start off. Because every 2 weeks I get paid. Every fortnight, you see me? So you have to, the money there with them give you have to make that stretch, you see me? Even though that can't really buy nothing still for 2 weeks, but you have to stretch it and you have to smart, you have to buy some things where you know so it can last, you see me? Until I get paid, where you can go do your real grocery shopping and them things there. You see it? Yeah, man, so we go to the supermarket and thing, get what we forget. You see me? And you know, you knew, I don't really know, like, you don't really know the runnings yet, you see me? So, triple, big up yourself, you know me, G. Triple X, big up yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, a triple show me the ropes from them time there. Yeah, a triple start showing me the ropes and say, yo, every time I go in a store and say iced tea, the big buckle of iced tea, then when you have to mix, remember triple X, you see me? Because the dog show me, say, yo, just get 2 of them big buckle of iced tea where you know can serve you. You see me? And then they cheap, so in a dollar store. Then they cheap, and get them there. And it just show me some more other things where just to start off, man, as I say. When I done, I have about $100 left, you see me? Yeah. Because I never want to left myself broke neither. Because I don't know a thing go. They have about $100 left. And you know, I don't take up what I want to take up on them thing there. I'm go back on the farm, you know. We go back up on the farm on them thing there. And then Swaby, big up yourself, my G, car. Yeah, man, Swaby there. I see him place. You see me? I would decide to say, yo, we are just cook together, I just run both together, you see me? Make it easier than everyone I cook separate pot. But you don't know a thing go. Swabia, St. Elizabeth man same way, come from up a Southfield so. So yeah man, so that's how we link up, you see me? Yeah man, I will start run both together and them thing there. It make everything easier, you see me? Yeah man, it make everything easier. Instead of you one for your cook, so for him grocery and my grocery just come together and we just share, you see me? Yeah man, so that part there now, yeah, I would just share and it stretch even longer than the 2 weeks, you see me? But you know, when fortnight the forward again, we go grocery shopping and them thing there. Yeah man. So fast forward, yeah man, so before we even reach the part where we go up on the farm, the day before we start work, because remember we reach, I think I want Sunday, we left on Richmond and got Kelowna on Sunday, reach the same day, I would think we're going to start working Monday. You see me? I want to tell you, say the first day of work, Monday forward, the first day of work. Yo, I said, no man, I said, my yard more and go. Yeah, vlog girl, I'm not tell you, say, first morning for the work. I say, yo, I'm a yard more and go. I say, yo, I'm a yard more and go. No joke. Yo, I tell you, say, rough. It rough. When I say rough, it rough. You see me? Yo, I say, I'm a yard more and go back, you know. Straight, I say, my business. Home more and go back. I home more and go back, you see me? Yo, Shemar, rig up yourself, G. You don't know a thing go. You see me? I say, yo, I home more and go back. You see it? Because I say, yo, this not cut out for me. Them something as slavery. Yo, I think, yo, slavery still a go on, you know. Slavery still a go on. You hear that? who go up on farm work know that it's slavery not done. You see me? Yeah, and then the money where I get an hour, yo, where I get an hour, we're not even gonna say it. You see me? We're not even gonna say money where I get for 1 hour for the hard work there. You see me? And yo, we're not telling, but after that still the work they kind of get. Cause me I say yo, me not kill out myself, you know. Me work smart. Me I say me not kill out. Them I say them want must say one bin for each person, one big bin. So I create them have around me. I think I 32 fully. Me don't remember. It get colder now. I think I'm 32 fully, but them, me I say one war, they can't tell me that. Me I say me I do what me can do and pick what me can pick. Me not kill out myself. For no boss see me, I no want no boss rate me. You see me? So me I say me not kill out myself for that. Yeah man, but you see if you wake up 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning, yo time cold, you know. When I say cold, when I say yo time well cold, the time well cold, you see me? No joke. Now them early morning there, me I tell you, just stick. You see me? But where you go do, you have to do it same because you don't do it already. You think you can ball like your baby on top, but you want to go back home. You're a big man now. Yeah man, you can't ball on top, but you want to go back to your yard. You're not a little pitney, you're a big man. All if you forward on the farm, when you're a little pitney, that farm they tell you that. You see me? Yeah man. I'm there and I say, yo, Jaja, yo. One time I feel like a prison today. When I tell you, I feel like a prison because you work Sunday to Sunday, you see me? When we forward back for out of the field, about 7 o'clock, I don't even remember. Then I left and go down to the factory, you see me? That's the way they carry them process and wash and then package up for send guy US and all about in a Canada, you see me? I'm work there, so start from 7 or 8 o'clock. After I left the farm, I work till I think at 11 or 12 o'clock in the night. And then wake up back 3:30 in the morning again. So repeat the process all over. You see me? So yeah man, it's rough, I'm not telling a lie, but I don't regret none of the journey still. You see me? Because you learn a lot, you teach you a lot, you see me? I make you know how a place run on them thing there. So I don't regret nothing, you see me? I'm glad for your experience still on them thing there. Yo, when I tell me I run off the farm. When I tell me I run the farm. Me, I run the farm. Yo, Harry, big up yourself, my G. Kojo, Fraskel, Christy, Plato, all I man them. Marco, Swaby, on a big up on yourself, my G. All I man them, man. Dangles, you see me? But me, that I for one next story time, you see me? Yeah man, that's for one next story time. This is for just for telling how I get on the farm work program. You see me? I do a next story time one at a time again. For telling what really go on the farm and how I survive on the farm work, you see me? Yeah man, how I really survive on the farm work. Cause it never easy one bit. You see me? One bit. And here what I go do? I try to get in contact with some of my man them and make them talk for them story, you see me? Yeah, I make them talk for them story. That one there gonna be a banger still, you see me? Because I'm not gonna hear from a few different people, but for them experience. Yeah man, I'm not gonna hear from a few different people with for them experience. So I call up some of my G them and then make them say for them story, tell them for them story, you see me? And experience when they're on the farm. But I said that they have for one next episode, you see me? That story time they have for one next episode. You see me? How we survive on the farm and them things. But one time I run off the farm. Yeah. You see me? Shine it, big up yourself. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man, Triple X, Johnson. All I man them were they on the farm with me 2021 and I big up on yourself if you not see this, you see me? You don't know the thing go man, one link same way. You see me? Most of man them go back a yard. Most of man them stay. Most of man them they are Toronto, all over the place. You see me? July, big up yourself. That is it. You see me? But as I say, I left a story time before next time how to survive on the farm on them thing there. When I go hear from different people about for them experience on them thing there. So I'm just going to big up on yourself, you see me? Remember to like, subscribe and share. You don't know a thing go. You see it? This year I be a banger, man. Believe. Active. So just going to big up on yourself. Stay safe out there. That is it.